This week's CCJ Tech Shorts features a logistics industry acquisition, the expansion of collision prevention, and more. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Third-party logistics provider BlueGrace Logistics has acquired Evos Smart Tools, a software-as-a-service optimization platform that helps shippers maximize resources and reduce costs through advanced supply chain algorithms and real-time data analytics. Evos offers advanced order optimization algorithms based on customized business rules, configurable variables, and API connections to create load plans that align with unique customer requirements. It can be used as a standalone application or integrated into proprietary third-party rating engines and transportation management system platforms for dynamic route planning, shipment consolidation, and network optimization. BlueGrace said it plans to enhance its existing BlueShip platform by integrating Evos for real-time optimization and will continue to sell the SaaS platform as a standalone product. Giraffe G4, which provides hardware and a user and tracking app to mitigate low-clearance collisions for large vehicles, has expanded its coverage area. Previously providing coverage along the Northeast Corridor, the company now reaches the lower 48 states. The Giraffe G4 Sentinel System app alerts drivers with an audible alarm and a height sign 100 to 200 yards before they reach a low-clearance hazard, giving them an opportunity to reroute before a collision occurs. The system follows the driver's route on their navigation system and provides alerts along the route based on more than 1,000 low-clearance hazards and parkway entrances recorded in its database. The driver doesn't need to watch a screen or pre-plan a route. They simply enter the height of their vehicle into the app to receive alerts. Freight broker Transcript, Inc. has added a new feature to its shipper app via an integration with logistics provider Rocket Shipping. The new Less-than-truckload quoting and tendering feature provides shippers with access to improved, faster LTL support, enhanced carrier management, issue mitigation and resolution, and competitive shipping rates via a curated network of high-performing LTL carriers. Through Transcript's platform, shippers can bring their carriers along with them to drive down shipping costs and enhance overall logistics efficiency. Freight marketplace TruckStop has filed multiple patent applications, including one related to the use of generative artificial intelligence in freight transportation solutions. TruckStop is investing in its data science capability to develop anomaly detection techniques that identify carrier and broker fraud at the speed of business. These signals help identify and eliminate fraudulent entities, ensuring the integrity of the company's trusted network and its customers' capacity networks and transactions. The online load board has also implemented an identity verification system and is positioned to further secure broker-carrier transactions within RMIS. Through advanced AI and real-time checks, the solution meticulously verifies government-issued IDs provided by carriers. With this system in place, brokers and carriers can engage in transactions with much higher confidence, fostering a climate of trust and reliability throughout the industry. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.